Security Light is a 100% wire-free, weather-resistant LED light and the latest addition to the Arlo Smart Security System. Arlo Security Light can be positioned virtually anywhere to illuminate areas like driveways, porches, and backyards for added security and protection around your property. When motion is detected, the light turns on and alerts you to potential threats anywhere, anytime through the Arlo mobile app. Arlo Security Light is designed to work intelligently by itself or with your existing Arlo Security Camera System. When one light detects motion, it can trigger additional lights to turn on and also trigger Arlo cameras to start recording. Each Arlo Security Light system contains Arlo Security Lights, Arlo Bridge, a rechargeable battery, indoor AC power adapter, USB cable, outdoor security mount, quick start guide, and a window decal. To set up your security light system, make sure you're using the latest version of the Arlo app. Log in with your existing Arlo account or select New to Arlo. Tap Add Device, and then tap Arlo Security Light in the product list. Then tap Arlo Security Light and Bridge. Next, scan the QR code on the back of the bridge by centering it in the green space in the app. Plug the bridge into an indoor outlet and wait for about 60 seconds. When the LED changes to blinking amber, press Continue on the app. Press and hold the sync button on your bridge for about 5 seconds until the LED starts blinking blue. Select your Wi-Fi network to connect the bridge and type in the Wi-Fi password. Make sure this is the same Wi-Fi network that your smartphone is connected to. After connecting to Wi-Fi, name your bridge and select the appropriate time zone from the list. The Arlo app will then check if any bridge firmware updates are available. Updates may take up to 5 minutes to complete. During this process, the bridge will go through several blinking LED sequences and will restart. Do not interrupt this process until the Arlo app indicates that the firmware update is fully completed. When the bridge is ready for normal operation, the LED will turn off. Open the back cover and scan the QR code by centering it in the green square in the app. Insert the light's battery and the light will flash once. Press Continue. Press the sync button on the light for about 5 seconds until the light starts flashing blue. Press Continue. At this time, the LED on the bridge will also start blinking blue. Once your security light is paired, name it and press Continue. If you're adding more than one security light, tap Add Another Light and repeat the steps.